Hello again. I'm going to finish up with our math for this week, week 6. I'm going to be going over days 4 and 5. I wanted to go back over the rounding rules, and I changed up the number that we're working with. Before it was 125 like the worksheet in the packet. I changed that to 123 because it kind of changes what happens. So we're going to go over the rules. We're going to find the tens place. So step 1, find the rounding number and circle it. Okay? So we have 1 in the hundreds place, 2 in the tens place, and a 3 in the ones place. So step 2, we're going to go next door and underline that digit. So we're going to go to see the number in the ones place. And then in step 3, we are going to ask ourselves, is that number 4 or less, 5 or more? If it is 4 or less, we're going to let it rest. If it's 5 or more, we're going to raise our score. So, where our new number is 123, and 3 is less than 4, so we're going to change all the numbers to the right to 0. So, when we round to 123, we are rounding it to 120, which was different than rounding 125 because 5 was 5 or more, so we went up. Alright, let's go on with the rest of the math. And then I did all of those for you guys. So day 4, Jordan bought 3 new apps for his iPad. Each app cost $4. How much did Jordan spend on all 3 apps? So, I'm going to draw out a little picture for you guys. It's going to be wonderful and all wonky. So, I'm going to draw out my 3 apps. So I have 1, 2, 3. So those are his apps for his iPad. Let's give it a little frame. A beautiful iPad. So to figure out how much money Jordan spent, we need to add 4 3 times. So we have 4 here, 4 here, and 4 here. So I'm going to line up my numbers. Go $4 plus $4 plus $4. Now, if some of you want to do 4 times 3, you'll get the same answer. But I'm going to just start with the adding. So, looking over here in my cents area, I have 0 plus 0 plus 0 for a grand total of 0. Then, over here I have 0 plus 0 plus 0 for another 0. Now, because these are all dollars and cents, I need to bring down that point, because that tells me if it's dollars or cents that I'm dealing with. So, over here for my dollars, I have 4 plus 4 plus 4. Let's do it one at a time. So I'm going to go 4 plus 4, which is 8. So now I have 8 plus 4, which is 12. So, for Jordan to buy all 3 apps, he needs to spend $12. Okay. Now, I said over here that you could do 4 times 3 to give you the same answer. It's because it is 1, 2, 3. And when you multiply 4 times 3, you get the same answer as 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay. But if you want to just add, that's totally fine. That works just as well. Alright, I'm going to keep going with rounding to the tens place. I'm going to circle my tens, underline my ones place. Now this number is 5 or more, so we're going to round up. So that's going to be 40. Over here, tens place again, next door. And this number is 4 or less, so we're going to round down to give us 50. And over here, we have 10. And then 2 in the ones place, and 2 is 4 or less, so we're going to round down. Ooh, I see. This number plus this number equals this number. Ooh, I like it when I do that. Okay, day 5. So there is a litter of 4 puppies. 4 of the puppies are brown. 1 is black and the rest are tan. So the question is, how many puppies are tan? I'm going to try and draw some little puppies. See how it goes. Let's just do circles. I don't want to draw it too badly. So the first one is brown. So 8 total. So I have 4 brown. So 1, 2, 3, 4. They're brown. 1 is black. And we have some number for tan. I know it's orange. Some number for tan. So we have a total of 8. We know about 4 and 1, and we're trying to find our missing number. So we have our total. I'm going to take the total, and I'm going to subtract the known number of 4 from 8, leaving me with 4. So I have that one. And then I'm going to bring over 4 over here. I ran out of space. And then take this 1, because we know about that 1. It gives us 3 left over. So I'm saying that there are 3 tan puppies. Now a way to check this is to see, you can look at the numbers that you know about. Sure, I have it working. 8, 4, 1. So you can go that there's 8 total puppies. You know that there's 4 of those are brown. And then you know 1 is black. So you can look at these, and we're going to have 8 minus the number of puppies we know about to find the unknown number of puppies. So I can look at this 4 and 1 and add those together to give me 5, and then go 8 minus 5 to give me 3. That's just another way that you can just add these before subtracting them one by one. So, hope this helps. Thanks!